Okay guys, so this is the car. 2010 Audi A4. This is the tail lights, the rear bumper. No scratches on the side. The rear window. Can't open the door because it hits that, but
put the brake on or no?
This is the car. Okay, so we started working on the car and some bondo, some body work. We're gonna make the rear bumper, the tail lights. Tail light, the rear glass. Detailing the engine. So yeah, see you in a bit. This is how the rims turned out. I painted them. They are pretty glossy. This is the gun I got from Harbor Freight. It was like $30, I believe. And I used this paint. It's 1 gallon. It's pretty glossy. I got it at True Value. I believe it was like $30 something for the whole gallon. It's actually kind of like industrial paint, like for equipment, so it's really thick. But you could use something to thin it, but I didn't use anything. I used it the way it is. The Harbor Freight gun. Yeah. Turned out pretty good. It's pretty thick. It'll take on some rocks and stuff like that. So okay, so this is the 2016 Genesis. Genesis Coupe 3.8. Okay, so it's got a dent right there.
You want to check your oil and all that stuff? Yeah. I know a lot of people want to do that first. All right, let's find out that battery. There it is.
Check the It's a 2008 Chevy Malibu. Okay. It's not damaged except this. Okay, so the car's painted with the wet sand. So we cleared from there all the way to the top to the rear quarter panel. All the rear quarter panel got painted. That top part. This is where we're at with the Audi. Just painted the rear quarter and cleared it. Our top section again because we had some marks that we didn't like on the back, so we had to sand it down and primer it again and repaint it and re-cleared it. So we have the new bumper. It's already painted and cleared. We're waiting for the rear balance to arrive. And again, we use that paint scratch mix to match car. And this time we use their clear too. So we'll see how that clear turns out. I think it was the paint was like 80. No, it was like 100 and I can't remember, but it was a little bit over 100 for a quart. We also installed the new tail lights. Here they are. Using that one. We ordered the tail lights brand new, but they looked better on the picture than in person, so that's why we blacked them out. We blacked them out using that lens tint, especially for the tail lights, or headlights, whatever. We didn't use that normal paint because it wouldn't let the light go through. So we decided to tint them because they were chrome. They looked really, really ugly. They look better on the picture. But yeah, this is it.